Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have a very awesome video to share with all of you. I'm going to be doing a gothic makeup tutorial today. I want to update and refresh the previous one that I have done. So let's just jump into it. Okay, well first we're going to get started on the eyes, and the background noise is Jay watering the plant. So that's that weird background noise that sounds like water. That's Jay over there. And I already primed my eyes with this lovely, amazing NYX Proof It waterproof eyeshadow primer. And this one is the clear one. I recommend the clear one because you don't have any hassles with application. We're going to get started with the eyeshadow. I'm using the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill collab palette right here. Lovely eyeshadows. I'm going to use the eyeshadow shade Bling Bling. That's one of my favorite glitter shades because it's neutral and it works well with everything. Now I'm going to take a little bit and apply like so. That will be our base shade for everything, and it also works great as a highlighter too. So it's just all around amazing. Pack it on like so. Shake off the excess. Now we're going to switch over to a favorite shade of mine called Berry Treasure. Right here it's a lovely black shade with some purplish pink glitter sparkles into it. And we're going to dip into that, and that's going to be our lid shade. If you ever need to, always make sure that you have plenty of makeup wipes to help get rid of any excess on your face or anything. I really recommend the Bliss Makeup Melt makeup wipes. These are amazing, affordable, cruelty-free, just all around amazing. Right now I'm going to apply the eyeliner, and this one is the NYX Gel Eyeliner, and I'm taking my little eyeshadow brush right here, as you can see, and I don't really use the eyeliner sort of brushes anymore because I'm not really a fan of it that much right now. Now that we have our eyeshadow and eyeliner on and our eyes are set and ready, we can move on to priming the rest of our face, and I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte Primer, and this one is amazing. I'm going to prime my face off camera. This makeup look, I'm going to use a shade that is lighter than my actual skin tone. I'm going to use the Soft Ivory shade from Wet n Wild, the Photo Focus Foundation. This one is amazing and it's full coverage. If you're in the market for a foundation, maybe try one of these amazing shades out for yourself. I'm going to make my skin a little bit paler than I actually am, so this will bring it down a few notches. I'm taking my new blending sponge right here that I got, but I've already used it once, but it's okay. going to dab on some like so and let the application begin. After applying the foundation, I like to go in with this poofy brush right here and actually blend out what I've done. Like so. Like just go over it, kind of like an airbrushing sort of technique, like so. And that actually helps keep everything down, helps everything blend out so well, which is really nice. It's time for contour, and I'm going to contour my nose the way I like to do it. I like to go in with the True Blend contouring palette right here. Very nice. It's the medium shade, if you're wondering. The M right here stands for medium, and I'm going to go in with this middle shade, which is obvious, contour, and it's a nice light brown shade. Just dipping in a little bit with this little cute pointed fine tipped brush right here. I'm just going to go starting from the eyebrows all the way down the side of the top, like so. Going as straight of a line as possible. And if it's too dark, you're going to be blending it out, so it should be fine. So don't worry too much. It's not too dark. As you can see right here, it's a little bit darker than what I usually do, but it's okay. And we're going to go in like so, making the nose narrow as you want it. I go right here, like so. That's step one. Then I'm taking this cute little angle brush, and I'm just going to go in from the eyebrow down and just blend it out. As you can see, it's not so dark. And I'm just gently blending the contour. I'm not going in too harsh. I'm just grabbing the brush and just gently patting it and blending it downward, so that way it blends inward and not up. So I'm going in a downward motion and doing the same for the other side as well. Then we're going in with the brush again, gently dipping into the same contour shade, and this will be for the side of the nose. We're just going down like so on the side, making sure everything is even. The same thing for the other side as well. Always have the pointed tip going upward because I want to get into the region right here in the nose and the eye area, so already I don't have to fight with that. Now that that's done, I'm going into the highlight shade right here, which is kind of like a lighter shade than the contour, obviously, but not too much lighter. I'm just going down the middle, in between the lines that we made for the nose. We're not going in too harsh or rough. And then we're just doing like right in between the eyebrows. That's what I like to do for my contour. Highlight right there. And if you want, you can highlight the side as well. I'm showing you how I do that as well. Right there. So pretty simple and easy contour. We're going to go in with the HD finishing powder from NYX. This one is a green one. It's called Mint. And this one got broken when I bought it. I don't know how that happened, but we're going to go in and set everything. Just fluff and pat. I'm going to go in with also the Wet n Wild matte finishing spray and just spray. Being generous. Last but certainly not least, the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit Matte Formula Lipstick in the shade So You're Cool. This one is amazing black and it's cruelty free. And this is everything. The tip of the lipstick brush you can use as a mini impromptu lip liner, which is amazing. This one is amazing. It's the most amazing black shade that I have used as a lipstick. It's matte, it dries down very quickly, and it stays on for a long time without smearing, smudging. You can eat, you can drink, and minimal reapplications are needed. This one is really good. I really recommend that you try out this one for yourself if you like a black lipstick and true black. This one is really, really good. It does dry out your lips a little bit, but maybe apply a sheer lip balm or something and you should be fine. Thank you so much for watching my updated gothic look. If you like the video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe for more videos and don't forget to press that notification bell. You'll be notified when I post new videos, which is every Wednesday and Saturday, so be on the lookout for those uploads. As always, I'll talk to all of you next time. Bye, everyone.